Here's the plan. One person will be chosen from the chat to play in a game of rock, paper, scissors. My rock, paper, scissors selection will be chosen by this spinner. If I win, I get to have one of the tasty snacks. If you guys win, I have to eat one of the insect snacks. Here is what we have to choose from today. Salt and vinegar chips or salt and vinegar crickets. Honey barbecue, flavor twists, honey barbecue mealworms, sour gummy worms, actual earthworms with sour dust on them. These are real worms. A nice Twix bar, chocolate covered scorpion. That one's gonna be very interesting. For each snack pairing, there are 3 rounds. The first round is worth a single bite, so 1 cricket. The second round is worth 2 bites, 2 crickets, and the third round is worth 3 bites or 3 crickets. You will also notice that on this spinner, there is a tile that's labeled entire insect snack. If it lands on that, I have to eat all of the insect snack. Here we go! Exclamation point winner to see who will battle in the first rock, paper, scissors. And the winner is Anne! Oh my gosh, Anne! Queen Bee, Anne Beringer, you're the first one. Rock, paper, scissors. What will it be, Anne? Anne says rock. Here we go. We're on the board for 1 good snack. Anne, do you want to switch it up or do you want to still go rock for round number 2? Anne switching it up, she wants to go scissors. Okay, Anne says scissors. Oh! Yes! People are saying rigged. Guys, it's a spinner. It's random. I'm not in control. Last round for the crickets. You want to switch it up? We're doing scissors again. Here we go. Oh! Okay. Somehow, incredibly, I have won all 3. So I get to eat 3 of the normal snacks, which I'm very excited about. But in the spirit of competition and in the spirit of today, I will eat at least 1 cricket and tell you guys what it's like, okay? Sea salt and vinegar cricket, here we go. It smells like a piece of wood. It's like, I think it's entirely psychological. When you bite down on it, it just sounds like it tastes like a super crunchy, salty chip. But when you think that you're eating like the guts of a cricket, that's when you start when your throat starts tickling and you kind of almost want to throw up. It's not that bad though. It's actually kind of good. Next, we're doing mealworms. Can we get a next winner in the chat? Exclamation point winner, and let me know what you're feeling. Rock, paper, scissors for mealworms. I think, is Abu up? Oh, hey, what up? Pretty great video you're watching, right? Welcome to my channel. According to YouTube analytics, only 15% of you are subscribed. Please consider subscribing. Super easy, super free, and you can unsubscribe whenever you want. Thanks so much. Enjoy watching the video. Ta-ta. Abu says paper. No! 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 Oh my gosh. Abu! What did you do? This is the one with the most insects in them. Abu! I really hope these taste good. Okay. Here we go. First mealworm. Going in. Really not that bad. As soon as I think about the fact that they're mealworms, then I get really messed up. And I start thinking that they're really gross. But they kind of just taste like the skin of like an onion ring that's kind of cold. Okay, not that bad. My whole body feels really hot right now. Moving on to the next snack. Worms. Real earthworms covered in sugar or regular sour gummy worms. What up? Have you subscribed yet? Just go down in there, click the button real quick, and then we can keep going. Subscribe button. Thanks, man. And the winner is Natalie Miller. Okay, let's do it. Natalie, rock, paper, scissors. Round 1 for 1 earthworm. Natalie guessed scissors. If I get rock, I'm good to go. No! Okay, 1 earthworm on the table. Do you want to keep scissors for round 2, or do you want to switch it up? What do you think? Natalie's chosen rock. Natalie has decided to switch from scissors to rock. Good gummy worm. We're on 2 good gummy worms. Natalie has decided to stay with rock for 3 worms. That's what I like to see. Okay, 4 good gummy worms and 1 real earthworm. My question to you, question to the chat, what color of earthworm would you like me to consume today? I think we're gonna eat the real blue earthworm. Here's the real blue earthworm. I think I'm gonna start with a regular gummy worm, cleanse the palate, acquaint myself to what a normal gummy worm tastes like, and here we go. Gets really soft in your mouth once it hits the saliva. Not that bad. It's actually a really pleasant taste, I'm not gonna lie. It's like a subtle sugariness, and the sugar actually tastes better on the real worms than it does on the gummy worms, I think. I like these a lot, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna eat another. I could eat these as candy. Final round is the desert scorpion. Scorpion or the Twix bar. That's what we have to choose between today. Did we already choose the winner? Annalise? Annalise, it's me and you for the chocolate covered scorpion. Annalise has chosen scissors. I'm getting a little bit of a headache. I think it's from all those mealworms that I ate. No! Again! Dude, how does it happen again? Look at all of the things that this could potentially land on, but for the 2nd time, it landed on entire insect snack. Okay, we have to eat the entire scorpion now. Guys, honestly, I kind of really enjoy that one.